Just got to Budapest and good lord, that's a giant dome.
Bar meets world, it's bar meets world.
Bar meets
When
world.
bar's meeting the world, he's snowboarding too. When it's bar meets world.
Yes. Sex shops just everywhere. Two nights ago, lost my phone at the spa party Budapest. Luckily got it back. Now it's time for a free walking tour of Budapest. Let's see what the city's got. Budapest. Well, you got Buda and you got Pest. Budapest. Really pretty city. It's got a lot of cool stuff.
Old traditional architecture styles, so that's why we wanted to create something new, and these Art Nouveau buildings, beginning of the 20th century, was financed by the Hungarian government. And the Four Seasons Hotel is the most luxury one in Budapest.
Ancient rooms right here where in the next coming months they'll be turning them into stables and have loads of horses. This city has some amazing views. Like, wow. Got some views up here. Got that and this. Just stumbled upon a British pub. Look in here. They got football on. I'm not saying football, I'm talking, yeah, they got football on. Wish I had known this last night. It would have been brilliant. Alright, bingo pub crawl. All these ridiculous challenges. Alright, we're gonna try to black it out, but it's gonna be pretty ridiculous. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I've never been told to scull so many beers in 1 hour in my life. Whew. Budapest, you're another level. To complete my board, he's gotta draw a mustache with permanent marker on my face. And it's not looking very well.
2, 1, go!
Yeah! Go!
Russell Wilson! Go Hawks! Russell Wilson! Yeah, buddy! Last day in Budapest, so I figured I'd hire a bicycle to get around the town a little faster, a little easier. At first I was really surprised and impressed by this castle, and then on my walking tour I find out that it's a replica of a castle from Romania, and they built it for the millennial anniversary of the country.